Hello, 7th and 8th graders. It's Miss Larson just checking in with you, making sure that you're all doing okay and still getting your exercise. I just got home from a walk, so that was nice. It's nice and sunny out. Make sure you're still being active. I just wanted to check in with you, and I had some questions about how to log in and usernames and passwords and things like that. So I just want to show you the website that you'll be logging in on. If I can figure out how to do that here. Give me 1 second. All right. So when you get to the myhrw.com, the page is going to look like this, and you're just going to enter in that username that I gave you right here and the password here. Once you log in, you'll have to create a new password, so make sure you write that down so you don't forget it. Otherwise, I can definitely reset it for you if needed. Okay, so once you get there, you'll make your new password, and I just wanted to show you what your home screen will look like. So once you get there, it should look like this. Okay, and you're going to have here is your student ebook, then some resources for you. All of your assignments will be listed here. And then don't forget also to check in Google Classroom, because assignments will be listed there too. So here's the 8th grade Google Classroom, and you click on classwork, and you'll only see what I'm allowing you to see. So here in my view, you can see that I have one scheduled for the 31st, but you'll only see, the next one that's due for you. All work is going to be due at midnight on the due date, so you'll have up until midnight to turn that in. You'll be able to check grades here, other people that are in your class, and then any updates or notes I'll post in the stream for you. So feel free to send me an email if you have any questions or if you're having troubles either with Google Classroom or with accessing collections online. But otherwise, I hope you're having a great spring break, and we will get started with classwork on Monday.